This digital head-end device is not only an encoder modulator, but also has demodulation and multiplexing function. Let's look at the appearance firstly. S6236EM is a strong digital TV processor. It can receive FTA tuner signals, local HDMI, network source via IP and video in TS files, and output RF carries. S6236EM can be widely used for DVB-C, DVB-T, ATSC and ISDB-T system. It also supports to convert the contents to IP streams out over multiple protocols to fit for internet transmission. Let's look at the specific features. Support 24 HDMI input, or HDMI plus DVB-S/S2X/C/T/T2/ISDB-T tuner mix input. 1 ASI input, 1 USB player input and 128 IP inputs via the GE port. Max to 32 RF carrier channels. Support 32 DVB-C RF carries out, or 16 DVB-T, ATSC, or 1 ISDB-T out for option. OSD function. Support logo, caption and QR code insertion for local-made channels. How to set up the DTV processor. Step 1. Plug in the power supply. Step 2. Connect HDMI source. Step 3. Connect NMS port for management. The other end of the network cable is connected to the computer or switch. Setting parameters through the web management. Step 4. Connect IP data port. Step 5. Connect RF output. Using coaxial line to connect with TV/set-top box. Choose your modulation standard. Search and get the channels. Thank you. Subscribe and we'll keep updated.